Les amis, hello my friends. So here is another basic rule for you when you are sitting, you are eating in France, in the dinner, invited at some host. Don't make noise when you eat. So you shouldn't do like this. Noise with the fork, with the spoon, with whatever. You cannot do noise like this when you are eating. And don't make noise when you eat. Don't do like this. This is very impolite. And as compared to Asian countries, when they will drink the soup or drink anything, don't do like this. Don't make noise when you drink. It is very unpolite, you know. I know in China or in Japan it means you really enjoy the meal, but in France it is unpolite. You know, there are the culture are very different. Like I told you last time, in France you should always show your hands. But I know in China and in Japan, you can just put your hand under the table and that's the proper way. Because it's polite this way. But in France, you should always put your hand on the table to show that you don't hide anything below the table. So that's the rule for today. I will talk to you next time. Au revoir les amis. Yes, also, if you have a soup, it's better that you use the spoon. They will have the special spoon for the soup. It's better that you just use the spoon like this way. You know. But don't do like this. It's not as polite to do this way. Okay, take care everyone. See you next time.